I'm back with another DIY, and today I'm sharing this squeezy bottle. The squeezy bottle has 3 parts. The bottle, the protector lid that goes on like that, and then the squeezy nozzle. You put the top on like that, and then that keeps everything that's inside. Now, here is a quick DIY that's gonna make your laundry days so easy. I like to buy a big tub of laundry detergent, and the problem with buying a big jug is that sometimes you pour too much. Pour it inside of the bottle like that. And then once you have it all in, don't go all the way to the top. You put the top on and squeeze it like that. And then you have all your laundry detergent in the easy pour bottles. You have all your laundry detergent in your squeeze bottle. It makes it really easy to do laundry. And watch how easy it is to pour. I can do it with one hand. You can store anything that's liquid in here. You have an easy way to pour it out. Check it out.